MetaForce, yeah. MetaForce, yeah.
Me and my guys with MetaForce. We know they see any sack. Me and my guys with MetaForce. Money no fi give us wahala. We just wanna be famous, so the money go locate us, yeah. When nobody fi defend us, yeah. MetaForce no go shame us, like. We just wanna be famous, so plenty money go locate us, yeah. When nobody fi defend us, yeah. MetaForce no go shame us, like. Me and my guys, me and my guys, yeah. MetaForce, yeah. MetaForce, yeah.
Hello friends, hello beautiful people of the world. My name is Nature. I'm a music producer, recording artist. I'm a Nigerian, based here in Kumasi, Ghana. And I'm a proud member of the Meta Wealth community. I and my friends waited for MetaForce patiently to the day of launch, and we joined on that same day. And trust me, till today, it's been an amazing journey with MetaForce. MetaForce is solid, MetaForce is loaded with sources of income, and MetaForce is for a long time. So friends, at this point in our life, where the world is going through economic issues, is the best time for you to be part of this community. So go on all social media platforms, search for MetaForce, join the group, and become a registered member of MetaForce today. And let the force be with you. Peace. Nature.
MetaForce, yeah. MetaForce, yeah.
MetaForce, yeah.
Me and my guys with MetaForce.